What's up everyone and welcome back to another episode of CP Customs Budget Builds. In today's episode we are going to take care of the new seat and trying to make it fit on the bike, so make sure you're not gonna miss this. Stay tuned. Alright gentlemen, the game plan for today is to manage to get a new seat on the bike, and that's the biggest task because I'm not very experienced in stuff like this, but I'm gonna give my best. So let me explain what I want to do. So here is the old laying around here. I'm not gonna use the old seat anymore. It is just ridiculous, so I'm going to use something else, and therefore I have a package, or received a package from Christos Tsampretakis. Very cool guy. He is from C-Racer, and C-Racer sent me something really cool, and let's check out what is inside the package. Hello, that is badass. What a beautiful seat. So I bought this seat from C-Racer because it's already finished and it is kind of complete, so I don't have to deal with this by myself, and it's for a very good price, 250 euros, everything together. And there's also a plastic cover where you can hide your electric things or something else inside. This is cool, and also some assembly stuff, also a manual how to install this seat. So this is a back plate. Now you can see it better. This is a plate which is there to hold your seat in the back area, but I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use this, because it requires to mount this plate that you cut your frame about here and then mount this plate here. So you are going, if you do this, you're going to miss the loop in the backside, and I don't know if I like the look or would like the look. So I think I'm gonna work with that as well. I ordered something else from Double Face Custom, and that's a loop. So a loop for the back area. The problem is the loop does fit perfectly, but only in like this position here. But I have to weld it in like here in that position, and it does not fit perfectly here. So I have to get a bit creative here. I have to cut something out of the frame, and then basically manage to modify everything that our new seat, with the new seating plate, with the loop, with everything what is supposed to be on here, mounts perfectly, sits perfectly, and then we are good to go. That's a big task and a big milestone in the project, the new seat. I'm still waiting for the tank. The tank is still at the paint shop. Due to Corona, it is a bit difficult to get it right now, but I am pretty confident I will get it soon. So enough talking, let's go to work.
Dark wave. Break it down. Dark wave. Break it down. Dark wave.
Diamonds eyes I've ever seen in my whole life. The skyline is jealous. I'm looking at you, how you shine. You got the most beautiful diamonds eyes I've ever seen in my whole life. The skyline is jealous. I'm looking at you, how you shine.
Dark wave. Break it down. Dark wave. Break it down. Dark wave.
So, hello gentlemen and ladies, this is a new day and I'm gonna want to show you the result of the loop. I'm pretty happy with the result. Come on. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result, but yes, of course, I have to apologize for my welding skills. I'm completely new into the topic of welding and I'm still learning. Yeah, it's a bit tricky, especially because you know, you don't know if the welder is set up correctly, you don't know if your skills are correctly, if the gas is correctly. So there's a bit or a couple of things I have to figure out if that is all right, and then I hope I can improve my welding skills. But so far this is not bad. But it took a long time, like a real long time. But anyways, so what is the next step? The next step is, because we are not done here, usually if we would only go with the loop, then yes, we would be done. But where the hell is this here? That is usually the mounting bracket for the seat and the cover underneath it, the black one here. And usually there is no loop included into this seating kit. But I like the way and I like the look of the loop, so I'm gonna combine both of them. So yeah, that's the next step. So I can bolt my seat through the holes here onto this plate. That's a pretty cool feature. And yeah, so enough talking. Let's try to weld this plate on this loop. Let's go. So, plate is welded on. Check this out. Yeah, I'm still not happy with my welding skills. We have some small imperfections all over the place, but they're just small, which are not that a problem. Overall, it does not look too bad. So yeah, I like the result. It's not perfect, but for my ability and my skills, it's perfect for me. So now, this was a huge step in the complete build to adapt the rear frame, and now we are basically ready to mount the seat on properly, like with all the bolts and stuff. And yeah, let's check this out, how it looks. Let's go. Take a look at this. I think the result is quite nice. I have to admit, this went better than I thought, and I'm really happy with the end result. So the frame, still small little things we need to cut, we don't need any more, and then it gets painted, or I guess maybe I have to check that with my buddy from the powder coating company. I would like to powder coat the frame as well into glossy black, so that everything kind of matches with the same black color. But yeah, so we will see. I have still a bit of work to do, but damn, this was a big step. I have to admit, a very big step for me, especially with my welding skills. But overall, it looks nice. So underneath, there you can see the plate, the loop, and then the cover where I'm going to hide some of the electric stuff. Good job. So guys, that was it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked what you see, please consider subscribing. So, seat is nearly done. Still small modifications left, but a big step, a big milestone in this whole new project. I know for some of you it may not be a big deal, but for me it was a big step to learn with the welder, to integrate that loop with the plate, and to make this seat really looking smooth and yeah, level to the chassis, to the frame. So yeah, I'm very happy, very excited about the next steps. I'm still waiting for the tank. And then we will get a bit more of the final look of the bike. Still a lot of work left with all the electric stuff. I have to order expensive parts, that's for sure, but it's going to be fun and very cool. I have to deal with the wiring harness and with the license plate holder, and then we can move on to the front for the new headlights, general lights, new handlebars, thank you. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, enough talking. So a lot of fun left for the next episodes. Make sure you're not gonna miss them, and yeah, stay healthy and goodbye. Peace.
Make the ground shake.